Hi, this video I am going to tell about the page replacement algorithm in operating system. So there are three algorithms in page replacement. One is first in first out algorithm, second one is optimal algorithm, and the third one is the least recently used algorithm. It is shortly called as LRU, and we will see one by one algorithm as well as how to calculate the page fault for every algorithm. So first algorithm is FIFO algorithm, that is a first in first out algorithm. In FIFO algorithm, the page that comes first will be replaced first. So here you will be given a reference string like this. So here actually these are the reference string 701, 203 up to 701. So here number of frames given is 3. So there are 3 frames. Initially all the frames are empty. So here the first string is 7. So 7 will be placed in the first frame. So that is empty. Then second one is 0. Again it will be placed in second one. And 1 is placed in third, 701. So when the next string comes, there is no free frames available. So from the list of available frames, we have to replace any one frame. So as far as this algorithm, the first page that page comes first will be replaced first. So what we can do here is, so we can select this one. This 7 will be 7 that comes first. So that is replaced by 2. So this 7 is replaced by 2. So then 201. So next string is 0. So 0 is already available. So it is a page hit. So the next string is 3. So 3 means here the page that comes first here is 0. So 0 will be replaced by 3. So 0 will be replaced by 3. And next frame is 0. Again the page that comes first is 1. So the 1 is replaced by 0 here. Then again next string is 4. So 4 means here the out of these 3 frames the string that comes first is 2. So the 2 will be replaced by 4. So then again next frame is 2. So 2 means the first frame then comes is 3. So 3 is replaced by 2. Again next one is 3. So 0 came first. So 0 will be replaced by 3. Then next frame again 0. So 0 means 4 that comes first. So that is replaced by 0. Next string is 3. 3 is already available. So it is a page hit. Again next one is 2. So 2 is again already available. So it is a page hit. So next page is next string is 1. So 1 means already 2 is a string that comes first. So the 2 is replaced by 1. Again next one is 2 here. So again here 3. So 3 comes first here out of these 3 frames. So 3 will be replaced by 2. So 3 will be replaced by 2. So next one is 0. 0 is already available. Again 1. So 1 is again already available. So it is a page hit. So next one is 7. So 7 means out of these 3 frames 0 comes first. So 0 is replaced by 7. So 0 is replaced by 7. Then again next frame is 0. So 0 means here 1 came first here. So 1 is replaced by 0. Then again next frame is 2. Next string is 1. So out of these 3 frames 2 came first. So 2 is replaced by 1. So how to calculate the total number of page fault here is, so whichever here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We can skip the page hit, only we are counting the page fault. So the total number of page fault that comes for page replacement, that is FIFO algorithm, is 15. So let me move to the next algorithm. Next algorithm is optimal. So optimal means replace a page that will not be used for the longest period of time. Again I am taking the same reference string. So the first 3 diagram is similar to the FIFO. 7 will be put in the first frame, 0 is put in the second frame, and 1 is put in the third frame. So next one is 2. So 2 comes means out of this 701, we have to check which will not be used for the longest period of time. So 701 means 0 we are using next. Okay, then 1 we are using here. 7 is we are not using for the longest period of time. So 7 is selected out of these 3 frames. So this is a victim frame here. So 7 will be selected. So 7 is replaced by 2. So next one is 0. So 0 means it is a page hit. So no need to draw the diagram. So next one is a 3. So 3 means out of 201, which will not be used for the longest period of time. So 201 means 0 is used here. Okay, then 2 is zero is used here. Then 2 is used here. So 1 is not used for the 1 will not be used for the longest period of time. So 1 is replaced by 3. 1 is replaced by 3. So next one again, next string is 0. 0 is already available, so it is a page hit. Then 4. So 4 means out of 203. So which will not be used for the longest period of time. So 2 and 3. Then 0 is not used will not be used for the longest period of time. So 4 is replaced by 0 is replaced by 4. So next one is 2, 3. So 2 already available, so it is a page hit. Again 3 is also already available, it is a page hit. So then next one is a 0. So 0 means out of 243, which will not be used for the longest period of time. So 3 and 2 will be used next. So 4 is not at all used in future. So 4 will be replaced by 0. The next one is a 3. So 3 is already available, so it is a page hit. 2 is again already available, it is a page hit. So 1 means now we got to select from 203. So out of 203, 3 will not be used for the longest period of time. So 3 is replaced by 1. Then 201 already available, so it is a page hit. Then 7. So 7 means out of 201, which will not be used for the longest period of time. So no, 2 will not be used for the longest period of time. So 2 is replaced by 7. So 0 and 1 already available, so it is a page hit. So what is the total number of page fault here is, it is 9. So when you count the diagram, so 4, 6, 8, 9. So out of these 3 algorithm, optimal algorithm only give the least number of page fault. So let me move to the next algorithm. So next algorithm is least recently used. So least recently used compared to the optimal. In optimal we are seeing the future, and least recently used we are seeing the past. That is, replace the page that has not been used in the most amount of time. So again here also the first 3 frames are similar. 7 will be put it in the first empty frame, 0 is in the next free frame, and 1 is put it in the next free frame. So 3 frames already filled. So then next frame is 2. So 2 means out of 701, which has not been used for the longest period of time. So only 7 is not used for the longest period of time. So 7 is replaced by 2. So 701. 1 is used here and 0 is used here. 7 only has not been used for the longest period of time. So 7 is replaced by 2. So then 0 is already available, so it is a page hit. Then 3. So 3 means out of 201, which has not been used for the longest period of time. 0 and 2 used here, 1 only not used for the longest period of time. So 1 is replaced by 3. So then 0, it is a page hit. Then 4. So 4 means again 203. 0 and 3 has been used, and 2 only has not been used for the longest period of time. So now 2 is replaced by 4. Then again when we come to 2, so out of 403, 3 has not been used for the longest period of time. So 3 is replaced by 2. Then 3. Again 042. 0 only not used for the longest period of time. So 0 is replaced by 3. Again here 0, 4, 3, 2, 4 only not used for the longest period of time. So 4 is replaced by 0. So 3, 2. So 3, 2 already available. So it is a page hit. Then 1. So 1 means 0, 3, 2. In 0, 3, 2, 0 only has not been used for the longest period of time. So 0 is replaced by 1. Then 2 already available. It is a page hit. Then 0. So 0 means 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2, 3 only not used for the longest period of time. So the 3 is replaced by 0. 1 already available. 7. 7 means 1, 0, 2. So 2 is not being used for the longest period of time. 2 is replaced by 7. 0 and 1 already available. So what is the total number of page fault is 12. Thank you.